Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss about GBPJPY. First of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we given yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we give some trading ideas. So first of all, we will discuss about that trading ideas. First was that market almost here when we did this analysis, and we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level, and we will open a buy trade in this demand. Our other buy trade will be in this demand, and if market break this resistance, we will open a buy trade towards this supply area, and we will open a sell trade in this supply area. So these 5 trading ideas were given in yesterday's video. So now we will discuss about that ideas one by one. So first of all, we said that we will open a sell trade below the support level, market break the support level, but personally I didn't find any good entry. That's why I didn't open any trade below this support level. After that, I was waiting that market come in this demand, then I will open a buy trade. No, we go on lower time frame, on 15 time frame, and I was waiting for a bullish candle. Market gone down, but there is no problem because we are not in trade. When this bullish candle closed, then I opened a buy trade. My SL below this supply area and my TP was here, but market comes little bit down, then goes up to hit my TP. That was a nice trade, and I shared this trade screenshot on my social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram stories also. Okay, so after that market goes up, we discussed that we will not trade in this range. After that, market break this resistance. We said that if market break this resistance, we will open a buy trade towards this supply area. But if you can look on lower time frame, we didn't find any confirmation in this range. I think that that was a news time. That's why market shoot up. We didn't find any confirmation or retest in this area, so that's not problem. After that, market come in this supply area, and I was waiting for a trade in this supply area. So now I move on lower time frame. I didn't open a sell trade here when market come in this supply area, and I didn't put my pending order. I was waiting market come in this supply, comes down, then goes up in this supply, make this minor resistance and close a bearish candle. Then I opened a sell trade. My SL above this supply area and my TP was here. After that, market comes in almost, let's see, almost 37 pips comes in profit, but I didn't close my trade. I didn't move my SL at entry point. I didn't manage my risk. My trade is still running, and my SL is above this resistance and my TP is here. I'm pretty sure that market will fall down and hit my TP. So let's see what will happen. This is the live trade you can open if you're watching now. If market is almost at my entry price, I opened this trade yesterday, but didn't close in some profit. I want to hit my TP because rules are rules. Okay, so now move on H1 time frame, and let's discuss for today. So let's remove these areas. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. Please like this video and share this video. Okay, fine. So areas will be to remain same. We have a supply area in which we sold. We have a support level. This one was also a support level. Now let's see market can give us a little bit retracement or not. this is the support, demand, and this is also demand. So basically we told in yesterday's video that we will open a buy trade in this demand. So let's say if market come in this demand, we will open a buy trade, otherwise we have a sell trade towards this. Yeah, so if on M30 time frame, the breakout traders, if market break this support level and you get any retracement, then you can open a sell trade towards this level. This is almost 28 pips range. That is nice. You can get to 10 to 15 pips easily. I have a sell order running here, and if I got any confirmation in below this support level, then probably I will open one more sell trade towards my TP. So these are the trading ideas of GBPJPY for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. If you have any question about our analysis, then you can discuss with us in comment section. So if you're looking for best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The links of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.